Well, good morning, you guys. How's everyone doing today? Today on the Experimental Gardener, we are coming over here to check on our onions, baby, because I believe I'm about to pull it. And let me tell you why. You see the leaves? They are brown. Experts say that when they turn this color, they're ready. So I've been out here already. It is 5:35 in the morning, and yes, your chick is outside, baby. We are outside. I love this time. So I've been digging in the ground already, y'all, like I do. You know how I do, because I'm about to pull it, baby. I'm going to give my garlic some room and my potatoes some room to finish doing its thing. You know what I'm saying? Oh, don't break off, don't break off. Yes. Oh, it's my garlic. Oh my gosh, guys. Look how big it is, baby. Oh yeah. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Oh yeah. Guys, what is that? I think that was gonna be another little onion growing. Look it. So let me show you. Okay. Now, y'all might think I'm crazy. Ooh, let's stop by these. Look at my turmeric, y'all. How pretty. Okay, you little orange pepper slim. Come on, baby. Turmeric. Turmeric. You guys are looking good. Basil, you are a beautiful girl. Look at ya. What are you doing down here, Basil? You're not doing much. I'm just going to pinch you up so you can do your thing, too. Get pushy. Marzium. Okay, turmeric. Marzium, are you back there? Okay. You still doing good, girl? Yeah. Okay. Red beefsteak, what's up, baby? I see you got your flowers coming. Oh, yeah. You too. Pineapple. Okay, guys, let's move on. Okay. So I got my other garlic over here. Drying out. Looks totally different than this one, baby. I treated this one with seaweed extract, y'all. That might have had something to do with it. I'm just gonna hang it right there, because now I gotta go get my tools, because we about to get down. Be back with y'all. We about to harvest our garlic. Peace.